Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So it is new release time. These are hot off the presses stickers ready for my October new release, which is this Friday. So tomorrow, this Friday, October 6th, and they will be on my website live, ready at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. Let's get started. First thing is all orders in October. What month is it? October. Will receive this freebie. This measures 2.25 by 3.5 inches and is on white matte sticker paper. And you get 3 deco stickers, 2 icons, a script, 2 circles, and 6 swatches. So every order placed in November will get one of these. Hand drawn by me. And the first collection is Fall at the Farm, and it really is just inspired by this fall scene with just the leaves changing and the mountains in the background and things like that. So that is the deco sheet, and you can get these as either a collection of 4 or buy them a la carte individual sheets, and they come in white matte or clear matte. So you have the deco, the swatches, which I use as headers or as decoration. You have the circles, and I like that there's the deco stickers but also the color stickers, and you can use both for decoration. And then you have the quote and washi, so my favorite color is October, and then it's like a neighborhood of farms. I love it. All right, so like this, I've seen people use this as, for a quick journaling spread and things like that, and you can use up all of this for that. So that is Fall at the Farm. The next collection is the Squirrel collection, and while I was printing and cutting this, I thought I really should have named them, but this is the Squirrel collection, again hand drawn by me, and they've got their little acorns ready for fall and hibernating for winter. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think these should be named? I don't know if I can change the name of the collection now, but let me know what you would name these squirrels. And again, these come in white matte or clear matte in a collection of 4, or you can buy them a la carte individually. So you get the deco sheet, the swatches, which match the deco. And what I like about collections like these is that all of these match, and you can either use them together, but also you get all these different colors that you can use with other collections. And then you have the circles, and then the quote and washi, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, so mini version of the deco, and then all of the cute squirrels. So that is, pick it up, the Squirrel collection. The next collection is the Watercolor poppies. Now I did poppies at this time last year, and they were hand drawn on Procreate. These were hand painted. So what I did is actually paint using fountain pen ink on watercolor paper, and then I scanned these. So I really love the detail and the watercolor effect there. So when you print these, or when you buy these on clear matte, they look like they've actually been painted onto your planner, but you can definitely buy them in white matte as well. So you've got the deco sheet, the swatches. These were also hand painted to match exactly with those. The circles, again, I painted those on the watercolor paper, so you get more of that like wet on wet pooling effect. And then lastly, the quote and washi, find beauty in the small things. This was the only thing really that was actually written or made in Procreate, and the rest were on watercolor paper. And then putting the washi all together, poppies all together like that in a washi. So that is the Watercolor Poppies collection. Again, available as a collection of 4 or individually on clear or white matte sticker paper. The next collection are the Watercolor Pastel Pumpkins. And again, I did pastel pumpkins this time last year, but I wanted to do them as watercolor or actually paint them with fountain pen ink. So I painted these, and I scanned them and put them into the sticker form. And again, you can really see like the way the watercolor pools, and it's great to be able to get that effect and put it into sticker form. And then I also painted the swatches to get that exact color, and the circles. I love the way these look like. Looks like the way watercolor dries. And then you have the quote and washi. Let's give them pumpkin to talk about. I try and find the corniest quotes I can find, but I really like as well how those line up together. I know somebody asked me what ink I have used in these. Thing is, even when I use a specific ink, when I upload it into Procreate and, you know, create these, my printer can make these look different than your printer would. So these don't actually match exactly perfectly to my painting. Actually, let me grab that. So for example, this is the painting that I did on the watercolor paper, and you know, it's not an exact match. You can see that the blue is a little bit lighter, the pink is almost the same, and the purple is almost the same. But again, like, there's gonna be a little bit of a, like, you can really tell with the blue that it's not exactly the same. The purple is a little bit lighter and the pink is also a little bit lighter. So it's not an exact match from the watercolor to, you know, translating to the sticker. So I did these with different fountain pen inks, but again, like I said, the way that they're going to look on sticker paper and the way that they're printed is going to, you know, make the color look different. So it's not an exact match. But anyway, that is the Watercolor Pastel Pumpkins collection. And lastly, I have more ink splatters, and these ones I wanted to really be more fall color, fall leaves inspired. And I'm kind of taking a note from Lau of Kenshin Crafts. His currently inked was the progression of leaves going from summer to fall. So I kind of took inspiration from that. And this, when I painted this or did these splatters, this one turned out greener, but then in Procreate it turned it a little bit more teal or blue, but it is a mountain green, because actually if you look from far away, some of the forest can really look kind of like this dark tealy color. And then you have the burnt orange when some of those leaves have turned that color. We've got autumn brown, and then we have the magenta leaves. So this is the fall inspired ink splatters, and you can buy this as a collection of 4 or a la carte, again, either on clear sticker paper or white matte sticker paper. And just as a note as well, I do hope to switch to premium white matte sticker paper, which will end up changing the price of my white matte sticker papers in the future, but I'll give you guys more notice when that change actually happens. So here are all the collections. I'm really excited for this Pastel Pumpkins one because I'll be using that in my Hobonichi Cousin next week, and then I'm hoping to use the Watercolor Poppies for my November monthly. I already have plans for these, but I also wanted to say that these are available as digital collections, so if you didn't want to wait for me to ship and you have the ability to cut your own stickers at home, I do sell these as digital collections. Let's move this down a little bit. And then once again, there is the freebie. So it is Thanksgiving long weekend this coming weekend in Canada. So I will extend the sale to Monday. So these stickers will be out on my shop on Friday, October 6th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. And you can use the code Thanksgiving for 15% off everything except oops and sale stickers. So 15% off my shop until Monday at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Time. Let me know which one of these are your favorites, and you know, let me know if you have anything that you'd like to see in my shop. Please do comment down below. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate you guys supporting my shop. Even just by watching this video, you're finding ways to support me and this little side dream of mine, which I never thought would have been possible 3 years ago. So thanks again so much, and have yourselves a great day.